Hello guys! Welcome back to Xplody FPS. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on troubleshooting the Logitech G Hub, specifically addressing the common issue of no device detected. A lot of you have been asking about this, so I'll show you a few steps to ensure your peripherals are recognized properly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Update Logitech G Hub. First things first, make sure your Logitech G Hub software is up to date. For example, my G305 mouse wasn't being detected because I hadn't updated the software in over a year. So open the Logitech G Hub, check for updates, and install the latest version. This simple step often resolves the issue. Step 2. Check USB connections. Before diving into more technical fixes, try plugging and unplugging your peripheral, whether it's a mouse, keyboard, or camera, and test it on a different USB port. Sometimes USB 2.0 devices can have compatibility issues with USB 3.0 or 3.1 ports. Switching ports can surprisingly fix the problem, so give it a shot. Step 3. Use Device Manager. If the issue persists, it's time to check the Device Manager. To open it, simply type Device Manager in the search bar. This will show you all the hardware connected to your computer. Navigate to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, where you'll see a list of all your USB devices. If there's an issue, you might notice a device with a small yellow warning sign. Right-click on it, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. This will allow Windows to search online for the latest driver and install it. Step 4. Manually update drivers. If the automatic update doesn't work, you can manually update the driver. Go back to the Device Manager. Find your peripheral, e.g., under mice and other pointing devices. Right-click, select Properties, and go to the Driver tab. This time, choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Here's the tricky part. You'll need to locate the Logitech G Hub driver manually. By default, it won't show up. So navigate to your C drive, go to Program Files, and select the LGUP folder. Make sure to check the box to include subfolders. This ensures the system searches all relevant folders for the driver. Click Next, and if there's a yellow warning sign, this should update your driver. Once done, restart your computer to ensure everything works smoothly. Step 5. Update firmware. Sometimes the issue isn't just with the software or drivers, it could be the firmware. This applies not just to Logitech devices, but to other brands as well. Make sure your peripheral's firmware is up to date. For example, with a mouse, you want to ensure the sensor calibration is correct, and updating the firmware can often resolve detection issues. That's it, guys. These steps should help you resolve the no device detected issue with your Logitech G Hub. If you're still having trouble, drop a comment in the YouTube section below. Let me know what peripheral you're using and the specific error you're seeing, and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.